Jason pulling up now.
Just hear me out. I didn't realize how steep my driveway is.
What's up, bro?
What's up? I did a straight drive. It only took us 2 hours. 2,000 miles. My driveway's pretty steep. So when I'm pulling here, I'm thinking I have my car ramp underneath the trailer, but on my back of my truck and back up, and then that will tilt the trailer right to here.
If you unhook the trailer, will it tip a little bit?
No, we can't unhook that. That's heavy, dude.
Yeah. Well, let's see something. Open it up. Let's see what it looks like. I think you might be overthinking it, dude. Where's the ramps? Where's your car ramps at?
I only have one pair.
2. Yeah, that's fine. Let's get it. Don't overthink it, Jason, bro. We got this. Oh, you have the same type bag.
I have another one though.
What do you mean?
I got 2.
Oh, I was gonna say, but oh yeah, no, but that's kind of like the same bag I have on my Ryker.
Oh really?
Yeah. If you didn't have anything, you could have used that. Let me get one. I'll carry one. I have a set of plastic, but they're lower than these. These are higher. Yeah, I just wanted to see how. She's still missing. I say if you do have wood, I say let's bring it up to how far we could bring it up. The 2 front tires, we could always roll it and then carry this end to the ground.
That's not the
So I think we could pull it off. These things are pretty easy to manhandle. It's just getting the 2 front tires to fall on something. The back, I think both of us could grip it up, and without overthinking it, I think we could do it. You stole it. Yeah, 1,000%, bro.
I had to keep pulling over 100 miles because I didn't want this thing to fucking move.
I think we're good, bro. I don't think we even need the wood. Just hold the doors.
Yeah, I think you're perfect now. Hell yeah.
I mean, if we can't pull this off, man, we're a bunch of idiots. And I think we got this, bro.
Why just put like this 2 blocks on each side just to hold it up a little bit?
Nah. This thing's it's a rally, bro. It's meant to. The suspension on this thing is
what
good.
I was thinking, I was thinking to myself, I said, oh, I'll back it in, right? And I said, I know how Josh gonna do this. He's gonna do his fucking shit. He's just gonna gun it. He's like, this is how you get it all, Jason. Win.
I mean,
It's $50 for.
How are you?
I'm going
Two of our fat asses up there will definitely make a roll. We'll kick back.
we got this.
yeah, $50.
All right, Jason, relax. We got this. I mean, if you want to move this to there, so we get some of it down, and then maybe we can move
That's
it.
probably good. Yeah, I agree with you.
What do you think?
I think this is right here.
Is that tire out there? Right?
Not much out now around that. That's what I had to do.
We're off. Jason, you're officially a Ryker owner. Nice. I did notice you have these guards, which I don't know if he added this. That you got the A-arm protectors, you got the fog lights. Did he add something here?
No.
There's something there. I don't know. He added.
This came with the bike. Optional cable, like a plug and play, maybe for this.
Is that maybe a battery tender?
No.
That he connected to the battery? You sure?
Negative.
Because my bike don't have that. That's not factory. He added something to it. You got the.
He didn't add it.
I'm pretty sure he did, dude. That's not. It's not. It's not factory. It says Moose on it. Yeah, it's definitely maybe for the lights or something. You got the floorboards. You got the bag, which is a nice touch.
Yeah.
You got the air hawk thing. This is. You got the LED handguard lights already. You got the Can-Am windshield, round mount. You got to clean these though for sure. And then you got the cramp buster. Did he change the horn on it or no?
Huh?
Did he change the horn? No, you got to change that. It's that little baby horn.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Jason got a Ryker 2019 Ryker Rally, just like mine. He has to go on the 15th and the 16th for his 3-wheel endorsement, and we should be riding on the roads in the next 2 weeks. So we converted a Vanderhall driver into a Ryker rider. Now the Vanderhall is still awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're a Ryker owner now. Nice. We'll catch up in the next couple of days.
For sure, yeah.
Well, we're leaving Jason's place. Jason got a Ryker. He should be endorsed and ready to go in the next couple of weeks, and we should have some nice we should have a great summer. All right, Jason, catch you later.